Have an app idea but don't know how to code? Lovable AI might be one of the most interesting AI app builders available right now. In this video, we'll take a quick look at Lovable AI, its key features, and who it's best suited for. Lovable AI is a full-stack AI app builder that allows users to create websites and web applications using simple natural language prompts. Instead of writing code manually, you simply describe what you want. The platform generates a working application for you. As you can see on the dashboard, Lovable can help create user interfaces, databases, authentication systems, and even back-end functionality from a single prompt. It also supports GitHub integration and one-click deployment, making it easier to launch projects quickly. One feature I really like is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to be an experienced developer to start building useful projects. Another advantage is speed. What might take days or even weeks with traditional development can often be prototyped much faster using AI-assisted workflows. Of course, no tool is perfect. For simple websites, MVPs, internal tools, and startup ideas, Lovable works extremely well. However, for highly complex applications, you may still need some manual adjustments and testing as your project grows. Overall, Lovable AI is a powerful solution for founders, entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses that want to build and launch applications faster without getting stuck in complicated development processes. If you'd like to learn more or try it yourself, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.